As we approach a world in crimes of control and centralized power, the need for autonomous energy solutions has never been more urgent. The New World Order (NWO) represents the rise of a totalitarian world, where individuals and businesses are increasingly dependent on centralized grids and governmental energy systems. In this context, free energy devices, long suppressed and hidden, offer a beacon of hope for those seeking independence from the oppressive structures that limit personal freedom. While the concept of free energy has been around for over a century, much of this knowledge has been deliberately obscured, with advances buried in obscurity, patent restrictions, or outright suppression. However, in July 2013, two Brazilian men, Nilson Barbosa and Cleriston Leal, demonstrated a simple device that drew over 190 kilowatts of power from the Earth itself. Their device marked a significant breakthrough in free energy research, showing that telluric energy, natural electrical currents flowing through the Earth, could be harnessed on a massive scale. The power of telluric currents. Telluric currents are naturally occurring, low-frequency electrical currents that flow through the Earth's surface. The Barbosa and Leal generator and similar devices tap into these energies by utilizing specialized transformers and grounding systems that extract electrical energy from the Earth. This is not new technology. In fact, many argue that ancient civilizations, such as those in Tartaria, possessed advanced knowledge of telluric currents and used them for energy production. The work of Nikola Tesla also suggested that limitless energy could be harnessed from the natural world, yet much of his research was suppressed or lost. The Barbosa and Leal device provides a template for individuals and businesses to tap into this energy source. While many have tried to replicate the design, success has been elusive for most. However, a forum user named Clarence has studied the relevant patents and uncovered the true mechanics behind the generator, revealing that much of the original design contained deliberate misdirection to confuse the public. Clarence's free energy design. Clarence's design centers on defeating Lenz's law, which in traditional electrical systems governs how back electromotive force, EMF, counteracts the input voltage in transformers. According to Clarence, the key to overcoming this limiting factor lies in the configuration of the primary and secondary coils. By winding the primary coil clockwise and the secondary coil counterclockwise, Clarence's design negates the Lenz effect, allowing amperage to flow unimpeded through the system. This bypassing of Lenz's law enables the system to generate far more current than traditional transformers, tapping into an almost unlimited energy source from the Earth's telluric currents. In this design, the reverse electromotive force is delayed through the bifilar winding of two coils, which act as capacitors, storing and discharging electrical energy in precise intervals. This manipulation creates a standing wave, a carrier wave, that interacts with the Earth's telluric currents, amplifying energy without the need for high-voltage step-up transformers. Practical implementation and potential power output. The core of the system operates using a standard 12 volts battery, which feeds into the grounded transformer. With a proper understanding of coil winding techniques and grounding requirements, the system can generate up to 3,000 watts of power with little input. The grounding system, which requires the use of approximately 60 copper grounding rods, is crucial to the successful extraction of energy from the Earth. This ensures that the device is firmly rooted in the Earth's telluric energy grid, allowing it to tap into the vast energy reserves available. The most intriguing aspect of Clarence's design is that it requires relatively inexpensive components. For less than $2,000, individuals can build a working free energy transformer capable of generating enough power to sustain a household or small business. With further refinements, these devices could serve as the backbone of a new decentralized energy system, freeing individuals and businesses from the constraints of centralized energy grids controlled by governments or large corporations. The suppression of free energy. It is important to acknowledge that free energy technology has been actively suppressed for decades. Many inventors who pioneered alternative energy sources face patent rejections, legal battles, or even mysterious disappearances. The suppression is not accidental but intentional, as centralized control of energy has long been a tool for maintaining power over populations. In today's world, where digital systems monitor and control every aspect of human life, free energy devices represent a pathway to autonomy and freedom from oppressive energy monopolies. The use of free energy technologies is particularly relevant in light of the growing totalitarian trends associated with the NWO. In a world where individuals are increasingly tracked, monitored, and controlled through digital devices, energy independence is a key factor in achieving personal and economic freedom. For businesses, reliance on centralized power grids makes them vulnerable to external control and disruption. In contrast, free energy devices allow businesses to operate independently, off-grid, and free from the dictates of a centralized energy authority. The future of free energy and its role in resistance. The advent of free energy transformers such as the one described by Clarence offers individuals and businesses a way to break free from the stranglehold of centralized power structures. By harnessing natural energies that have existed since the dawn of time, we can resist the totalitarian systems that seek to control every aspect of life. While building these devices requires a degree of technical expertise and a clear understanding of electrical principles, the rewards are immense. In conclusion, free energy devices provide a viable solution for those seeking autonomy in an increasingly controlled world. As the NWO advances and seeks to centralize power, individuals and businesses who value independence must explore alternative technologies like the free energy transformer. This technology, long suppressed, is now resurfacing, offering hope for a future where energy is abundant, free, and untethered from oppressive control.
And finally, we have a gift for you that is tricks to reduce your electricity bill by at least 75%. And the way to complete energy independence, get rid of the monopoly of big energy, you will never have to pay for electricity. Method, amplify electricity to make output power greater than input power. See link in description. Thanks for watching.